Throw away those throwback posts because this Tuesday, Bolly is bringing you some things filmy, some things fun, and some things downright controversial. From some new updates in the Sushant Singh Rajput case to Kangana Ranaut asking the government to take back Karan Johar's Padma Shri and Prabhas's next big 3D film announcement. Here are all the top headlines of the day. As far as the latest update in the Sushant Singh Rajput case goes, our bees did a little buzzing around and got Riya's lawyer Satish Manchanday's reaction on the various rumours doing the rounds. Crushing rumours of Aditya Thackeray and Dino Morea's involvement in the case, he said that Riya has never met Aditya but has only heard of him as a leader of the Shiv Sena. He went on to say that since Dino is Riya's senior in the industry, she has met him at social gatherings. Meanwhile, Sushant's father KK Singh was called over to Delhi to record his statement at the ED, where he too was grilled for about 4 to 5 hours. Among the many questions raised, the buzz is that Singh was asked how he knew rupees 15 crores were missing and how he arrived at the conclusion that Riya was the one who took it, as stated in his FIR. Sushant Singh Rajput's sister, on the other hand, made an interesting plea this morning, urging the Supreme Court to give out an early decision. Taking to her Twitter handle, she said, requesting for an early decision from the Supreme Court, we've been very hopeful and have been patiently waiting. Every minute of delay is causing pain and heartbreak. In another interesting tweet we came across today was from our dear Kangana Ranaut. After claiming her account will get blocked, she took another jibe at filmmaker Karan Johar, this time around asking the government to take back his Padma Shri award. The reason, you ask? He openly intimidated me and asked me to leave the industry on an international platform, conspired to sabotage Sushant's career. He supported Pakistan during Uri battle and now an anti-national film against the army is what she said. You can count on this bee to update you on how this one went. In some more courtroom drama, the Karnataka High Court scrapped the petition filed against actor Sanjay Dutt's casting in the film KGF Chapter 2. Reportedly, the reason behind the plea was Dutt's alleged connection with the violation of Arms Act for possession of an illegal weapon. However, the court dismissed it, citing no law restricts a convicted actor from working in a film. And now for some filmy news of the day, Prabhas is getting ready for his next big flick, this time around in 3D. The Bahubali star will team up with Tanaji director Om Raut for a film of epic proportions. Titled Adipurush, the film will revolve around the triumph of good over evil. The ambitious film will be a Hindi-Telugu bilingual, and to make sure no one misses out, it will be dubbed in Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada as well as several foreign languages. Can we skip to 2022 already? In another exciting update, our bees can finally confirm that Anil Kapoor and Neetu Kapoor are set to feature alongside Varun Dhawan and Kiara Advani in the romantic dramedy to be directed by Raj Mehta. That's all the tea this bee will be spilling for today, so bye-bye.